We're snowed in. I've never pooped and threw up on the toilet at the same time. But yeah, as y'all can see, everything just like swole up overnight. Like, hold on, y'all, having a contraction. Everything just went 0 to 100 real quick. Welcome back to another video, y'all. If you've never seen my face before, welcome. My name is Olivia. Obviously, we're in a new scenery, but we do everything mommy content, entrepreneur, routines, vlogs. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. But y'all, as you can tell, we are in a whole different scenery. I look terrible. Anyway, y'all, like I was saying, so I got interrupted by the nurses, but as y'all, we're in a different environment. We're in a hospital. So today when I was at work, it was around 3:30. I was on a Microsoft Teams call, and I already had like swelling, inflammation in my feet anyway. This past weekend, they just got bigger and bigger, and I was told to like monitor like my blood pressure and stuff like that. So I was sitting in my office, and like I can feel like my feet start like throbbing a little bit. So this around like 3:30. So I told my manager I was just gonna go home and lay down. So I was trying to figure out if I want to go to the emergency room, if I just want to go home, chill, lay down, take my blood pressure. So anyway, long story short, I ended up coming to the emergency room, and they wheeled me back. So my blood pressure was slightly elevated, but it wasn't like astronomically high. So that, with that being said, I was being monitored. They was monitoring the baby and stuff like that. I thought I was gonna go home. No. So I got a urine sample. They did some blood, and then they took a urine sample, but it was protein in my urine, which apparently that's bad. I didn't even know that. So it was protein in my urine, and it was like really above like the average level. Like I think the average number, what should say, 300? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me?
I'm sorry, I thought I was talking to you.
I am, but I said, what she said, a level like 300 for your protein?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, so then mine was like 700. So I got admitted to the hospital, which is crazy because tonight I plan on going home. I just had my baby shower on Saturday. I plan on going home to finish nesting, to film nesting vlog number 2, and I'm in the hospital. So I don't even know if I can show this, but this is what's going on. So I had to get an EKG because apparently when I came in, she said my pulse was kind of low, but it's back regulated now. So I had to get three EKGs, each EKG things done, but they're just monitoring the baby. So I was on this like little band thing being monitored, but my baby kept moving. And so like they kept having to come back in here and adjust it. So I got like this little Bluetooth thing that's monitoring the baby. So yeah, y'all, basically what's gonna happen is I've been here since 4:30, 5 o'clock. It's currently like 1 o'clock in the morning. So I had to get these 3 EKGs done before they start. So what they're gonna do is they gonna soften my cervix. So they're gonna like get it ripened per se, and then they're going to induce me. So the softening of the cervix, that stuff has to stay in for at least like 12 hours. So like I said, it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. So she gonna come back and give it to me, but that has to stay in for like 12 hours. So I probably won't get like the Pitocin until like 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So I don't know, I can have a baby tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, one of these days. But my original due date was the 30th, so today is January 20th. But last night I was struggling. I was just crying in my bed because I was just over it and stuff like that. So, but I got this IV going in my right arm, which is so annoying. I ain't been able to do nothing because usually it goes like right here, but I ain't been able to do nothing because I got this IV in my arm. So apparently, like before they start the Pitocin, they're gonna let me get up and shower and stuff like that. But this is just like a little side room or whatever. And this is my hospital bag that was still halfway packed. So like I said, the intention was to go home tonight and finish nesting and putting up everything from the baby shower, but that did not happen. So they got some stuff over here whatever that is. It's my bed. It's very uncomfortable. This is where baby's gonna go. The room is actually quite big though. It's very big. But yeah, as y'all can see, everything just like swole up overnight. Like my feet, I'm gonna have to insert a picture of my feet, how my feet look. But my feet, my face, everything. Like, and so this is the Bluetooth monitor. I don't know if y'all can see that beeping. But like I said, I couldn't be hooked up because my baby kept moving. So welcome to my raw and realistic labor and delivery vlog. I don't know how this was gonna go. It was my intention to have this. Oh, well, it is like the end of the month technically. Like it's only like 9 more days like left in January. So, but yeah, welcome to my labor and delivery vlog. But I can't say I'm mad though, cause at least he ain't coming on my birthday. So I say my birthday to myself. But I'm just gonna wait for them to bring in to do this stuff to start softening my cervix. I am very tired, but I don't want to go to sleep. And then they come in and wake me up, cause y'all, these nurses come in like every 30 minutes wanting something. So I will pick y'all back up when I'm doing something worth filming. This thing is getting on my nerves so bad. All right, y'all, so good morning. This is breakfast. So I have to give y'all an update. I'm gonna try to set y'all up and talk to y'all because today is Wednesday, January 22nd. I'm still pregnant. Let me just catch y'all up to speed. So we are snowed in, and like the roads are icy and everything like that. So yesterday we knew we was gonna get snow, but not to this extent. So if y'all are new here or you haven't seen my channel, I do live in Georgia, like the southern part of Georgia, well, kind of like the southwestern part. So yeah, we don't get snow. And when we get snow, everything's shut down like completely. So yesterday around 2 o'clock, it just started falling. So I feel like I had no real food. Like, I've been eating like the hospital food, which is okay, but they don't give you a lot because as y'all just seen, like, what I'm supposed to do with it? Baby, I'm eating for 2. So Monday night, I had a rough night. Cervix checks, let me just tell y'all, they're not my favorite thing. I hate getting my cervix checked. I don't know why. To me, I feel like it's unnecessary. So I got my cervix checked and I had to do EKGs because for some reason my heart rate was a lot lower than normal, like my pulse was. So they wanted to do 3 EKGs before they started my Cervidil. So the Cervidil is the stuff to soften your cervix. Y'all gotta forgive me, I'm so stopped up and all puffy. I'm sorry, but it's sort of soften your cervix, and that had to stay in for 12 hours. That did not work. So they pulled that out, and that night, after getting my cervix checked, and then I think I laid on my back a little bit for too long, and my baby's heart rate had dropped, but everything is fine. So fast forward to yesterday, Tuesday, I did not pick up my camera at all. Since I was up most of Monday night, all I did was sleep. So yeah, now I started some new medicine. It's called Cytotec, and I've had 2 doses of that already, and I can tell that's working because it's softening my cervix. So basically they're having to prepare my body for something that my body wasn't prepared for. So since I am preeclamptic or have preeclampsia, as y'all can see it in my hands, my face, like everything is swollen. So my blood pressure has shot up a couple times, but the medicine has been keeping it down, and I just been praying and thinking about good things because your girl be a little anxious sometimes, but the baby's okay. I'm okay. So they're having to start labor early so that the baby can get out because I am preeclamptic or have preeclampsia. Not severe, but it's definitely, like I told y'all Monday, I couldn't go home. So that's a little bit of an update, but the Cytotec has been working because my contractions have picked up since around like 4:30 this morning. So I think at 9:30, it's currently 8:20. So at 9:30, I'm going to get my cervix checked again, which I hate. But I'm pretty sure I've dilated 2 or 3 centimeters by now, and then we'll start Pitocin because my contractions, they've been a little rough, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna try to eat this and get some more rest because like I said, I have been up since 4:30. But yeah, y'all, that's the snow, and I'm sorry for the lighting. It's dark in here. Like I said, this is breakfast. The roads are iced over. Hopefully the sun come out. But this is going to definitely be a story to tell my baby. Hold on, y'all, having a contraction. And the crazy part is, these ain't even the worst of them because I'm technically not in labor yet. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat and then try to get some more rest, and then I will update y'all when I get up and do something.
Here, okay?
You think I should put her feet on the stool? I think she's okay.
Good.
Okay, to make sure.
Go on your back here. You got scoliosis?
No. I got no. Wait, I'm having a contraction.
All right, I'm gonna
Take some deep breaths.
stick it a burn. Ready?
Right. Burn, burn, burn.
1,
Good job.
2, 3.
You're good.
Sorry.
You're good. Squeeze on. Good. You're doing great. No worries. You're okay. You did good. That's the worst part on that one, but just keep your back up.
All
You're
right, a
doing
little pressure. So don't try not to move. Don't reach back.
good. You're good. Hold on to me.
Okay.
You're
All right.
good. You're good. Try one more.
I'm gonna put the catheter in and we'll be done, okay?
Great. Good.
All right, all done. Did great.
Good.
Thank you.
Alright, now you can kind of relax, just don't move too much, okay? You did so good. Sorry, that was tough.
All right, we're gonna give you some test medicine. If your butt goes numb over the next minute or your heart starts racing, let me know, okay? All right.
One every 3 minutes for the next 30 minutes, okay? Hey, if there's anybody out there that can put 7 back on the monitor. Lay you back.
Can I even talk? I mean, I know what's going on, but that's crazy.
Okay.
Huh?
You can edit all of it.
No, I don't feel like talking. Okay, I did. We last chit-chatted at breakfast, and then everything just went 0 to 100 real quick. So yeah, I was eating my breakfast, and I'm sorry, I'm a little shaky because this epidural is making me cold. But I was eating my breakfast, and I'm glad I didn't eat no more than what I already ate. But my doctor came and checked me again after breakfast, and he brought my water. Nobody told me after a water break your contractions intensify. 0 to 100 real quick. So I started feeling my contractions, which if you ever had, or if you're female, you have bad periods or bad like period cramps, imagine that times 100, like on steroids. So I literally had to go to the bathroom. I've never pooped and threw up on the toilet at the same time. I was doing both at the same time. So I was throwing up. It was coming out both ways. Because the contractions were so strong, they were making me sick. So after he brought my water, it felt like I pissed all over myself, literally. And then the contractions just started getting like worse. So it took me about, how long did it take me? I was in the bathroom about 30 minutes, right? Because I wanted to wash my face, brush my teeth, and just, I felt like real crummy. So I just wanted to like, yeah. So after that happened, I came back out. So I got some, y'all, they gave me fentanyl. I thought fentanyl was that drug that kills people, but I'm okay. I had some fentanyl because this was a prescribed kind. So I got some fentanyl to like relax me, but then my blood pressure was still high. So I had to get like some magnesium sulfate for that. Had to get some Zofran, and then I got an epidural. Was really normal me outside of pain would not put this much drugs in my body at one time. Like I'm terrified of like overdosing or something. So, but in labor, me didn't care. I said, give it to me, y'all. So I have epidural now. Like I said, it made me a little cold. So the magnesium made me like hot, and the fentanyl like made me hot, but then it made me cold. So right now we're just chilling. She said she'll be back. The epidural wasn't that bad because I kind of felt that sensation before, but the nurse said she's gonna come back in like 10 or 15 minutes, and apparently I have to get a catheter put in. So I'm gonna get a catheter put in, and then they're gonna start me on Pitocin, which is the medicine that intensifies the contractions, but I'm not gonna be able to feel them, thank God, because what I experienced this morning, that was intense. Like, if I had experienced contractions harder than that, I would have. And if you ever went through labor natural, your vagina is strong and your uterus is strong, because ain't no way. But yeah, that's just a little update. So baby should be here sometime, maybe this afternoon or late tonight. Could be the wee hours in the morning, but I don't foresee it going past, what would you say, like
before midnight.
Yeah, maybe before midnight, right at midnight. So his birthday may be January 22nd. It may be January 23rd. I don't know. Either way, I'm just ready to get the baby out. So that's my little update. That's all I got.
That's all you got.
Wait. Well, I guess I'll explain later, but I mean, you can show them.
Show them.
He went home to get his truck to take home.
She want y'all.
Say again?
She
Oh, you want me to talk?
To mom's house.
Oh, just want to wait. 'Cause, you know, I say something.
Okay. You can edit all that though. It's okay.
All right, yeah. Okay.
Here, can you see? You scooted over some?
Yes.
Postpartum get started.
Go ahead. Perfect. Thank you.
Came out.
Do you want to skin to skin? Yeah, let's do it.
You did so good.
You did very good. You made that look so easy.
I don't think I've ever seen a baby cry that fast.
No.
I mean, literally, like,
Head out.
Like,
Here's cord blood.
All right, I'm gonna put in. You got that
Bailey,
theory?
Bailey. Yeah. Okay. Got the what?
I know, like, people here, so I went crawling.
Say, we just get it out the way.
Okay, this is very...
Let's do this.
Like the screen so bright.